Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. My name is Dushko Preradovic. I'm here at 700 Davis Road in Tarneed in Melbourne's western suburbs, site of the future Melbourne Multicultural Centre.
Alhamdulillah, you can see here the construction phase is going on in full swing, and to finish the current phase we need 1.1 million at this stage, and our plan is to finish the job before Ramadan, inshallah. And we are asking our brothers sisters to come forward and donate generously for this noble cause. Jazakallahu khairan kaseera. Assalamu alaikum.
By the blessings of Allah, the construction of the mosque, the car park and the associated work is running in full swing. We have budgeted another $1.1 million to complete the mosque construction to start praying here. This is the site of the future Imam's house. This is the site of the temporary Brothers Prayer Room. This is the site of the temporary Sisters Prayer Room. This is the site of the future asphalt car park. This is the site of the future Golden Model Mosque. So this is the property right behind me. It's 10 acres of land. So we hope it'll become one of Australia's largest mosque complexes. But to make that possible, we need all the support we can get from all the Muslim communities in Australia. Don't forget that this is not only an investment for us to pray here, it's also an investment for your akhirah. So every time you make a contribution and somebody prays here, you will get the reward. Please remember us in your dua that Allah makes this project a success. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.